Hello and welcome to another quick workout. This is 4 minutes in 4-point kneeling. So we're going to go through 6 exercises, 30 seconds in each position with a 10-second rest in between. If any of these movements sort of hurt your wrists a little bit, then feel free to come onto your fists or even your forearms for some of the exercises. Okay, let's get going. So we're going to start off. We're going to do all these exercises in this 4-point kneeling or tabletop position. So just make sure you've got your knees underneath your hips and your hands are underneath your shoulders, and that you've got a nice sense of your core and your tummy lifting up and away the whole time through each exercise. So I'm going to start my timer. Off we go. And we'll just get ourselves set up. So the first exercise we're going to do is just a nice cat, so just to kind of warm up the spine a little bit. Okay, here we go. So just tucking all the way in, lifting the tummy all the way up and coming back to a neutral. So tucking up, lifting, really scoop the tummy and back out. So a little bit faster than perhaps we would if we were just warming up. So we're just getting a little bit of movement into the back, really draw the tummy up and away from the floor. We've got 5 more seconds. Let's get one more in. Good. Just come off those wrists and rotate them for a moment. 5 more seconds. We're going to come back. Draw the tummy up, tuck the toes, and we're going to hover. So hold it here, breathing in, breathing out. Good. Push those hands into the floor. Really keep that navel drawing up and away from the mat. Hold this position. Bend the elbows a little bit. Good. Keep going. Breathing in. Breathing out. This is a strong position. Doesn't look like it's doing much, but you can certainly feel it. 2, 1. Gently take those heels back. Good. So the next one we're going to do is a plank. Feel free to come onto your forearms for this one if needed. Otherwise, come back to that 4-point kneeling. Hold the tummy in and just making sure that you've got a nice long line from your top of your head, shoulders, bottom, heels. Hold it here. Breathing in, breathing out. Really make sure you can draw navel up. If you can't, this is not an exercise for you to do. Breathing in, breathing out. Okay, take the knees back down. Give your wrists a rotation there. Next one is a pull back. So you come into this position, then you take yourself forward and push the heels back. So it's quite strong into the shoulders, this one as well. Forward, push back. Forward, push back. Draw the navel up, breathing in, breathing out. Again, you could try this one on your forearms, a little bit trickier to do, or just come back to your forearms and do another plank if this is too much. Forward, push back, forward, push back. One last one. Take the knees down. Good. Rotate into the wrists. Again, you can come onto your forearms here if needed. Come back, 4-point kneeling. We're going to draw the knee up towards the elbow. Good. Keep breathing. Tummy in the whole time. Keep pulling away. So you can try this one on your forearms if needed. Breathing in, breathing out. Nice and slowly, not too quick. Good. We've got 5 seconds. Keep going. Keep going. One last one. Hold. Come back with control. Good. The last one we've got is Superman. So take the leg back and lengthen and hold this position. Really reach, and you should feel the work in the obliques down the side. A little bit quicker with this one than we might normally do. Okay, but really reaching, so really excellent exercise to do. A nice kind of cross connection across the tummies here. Really reach and lengthen. Draw everything back in. Widen the knees, you're all done. And take a lovely stretch forward. Breathing in, breathing out, rotate those wrists. There. Good. And just coming up, kneeling. Well done. Give those wrists a little shake and you're all done. So you can do all that again, or just when you can fit 4 minutes in, really working the core, getting your heart rate going a little bit. Hope you enjoyed that. See you next time.